Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in with me today. If it's your first time stopping by, you're most welcome. Take a moment to subscribe to my channel. If you like my content, go watch my old videos, and welcome to the family. So in this video I just want to show you how to wear eyelashes. It is a tricky thing to wear, trust me. You need a lot of practice to get it right, but I hope with my technique, it's pretty much the same technique as the rest, but I just wanted to show you how I do it. So yeah, stay tuned, and yeah. So first off, what you're going to need, of course, are eyelashes. So I have a pair here from Eylure. These are premium synthetic lashes. Then I also have, sorry, I took it out of the pack. I also have the Arimaka, I do not know. The name at the back is different from the name, but anyway, they're lashes either way. So I also have another pair of beautiful lashes here. And then I also got these from Gazaland. Yeah, these are also synthetic lashes. And then next, what you need is some eyelash glue. Now for glue, I like to use the duo eyelash glue. This is the gray one, and this is the dark tone glue, and it dries black from gray. And then I also have this one. This is the white glue that dries clear. These are, I think, the best eyelash glues that I have used. Some brands, for example, Eylure. Am I pronouncing this word? Eylure. 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 Well, some brands like this provide eyelash glue. See? Yeah, so most of the pairs that I've had provide eyelash adhesive. Yes. Next up, you're going to need some tweezers. Now here I have the usual tweezers for tweezing my brows, and then I have this eyelash application tweezer. Yeah, this is really helpful, and it's also good for beginners. You can use the other tweezer as well, but I started out putting out my eyelashes with this type of tweezer, then I moved on to this one. So the application process is not so long, but it does take time, and you need to practice more. First off, you need to relax, because it's quite frustrating when you want to put something perfectly the first time and it doesn't work out so well. So the first thing you need to do is relax. Yes. Next up, I'm just going to put a thin coat of mascara on my eyelashes, and I have teeny mini eyelashes, so I just need to give them a boost. Yeah. I also applied eyeliner. When you apply some eyeliner, it does give you sort of a guide on where to place the eyelash. Now, when you're placing your eyelashes, do not place them directly onto your lash line. When you are taking them off at the end of the day, you're going to strip off the eyelash with some of your natural eyelashes. You won't have eyelashes. So right here, I just picked a pair of eyelashes from this pack, and be gentle as you get the strip from the packaging. Sometimes it tends to pull out. If you're too rough, you end up pulling out the hairs, and yeah, again, you won't have eyelashes on your lash band. So as you can see, we have our eyelash there, and on the corners here, there's that extra bit of lash band on the corners there, so you would need to cut that off. So after, you're going to get your eyelash and place it. We're just measuring out, because eyelashes come in basically a long length, and because of that, there are different eye shapes and eye sizes. You'd have to cut the eyelash to your preferred eyelid length, not lid but lash line length. So I'm just going to measure that out, put that there, It is pretty long. Try to keep it away from the inner corner of your eye just to avoid irritation and discomfort. It does cause a lot of discomfort. Remember, I haven't yet put any glue, it's just the eyelash is sticking because of the glue from the packaging. Next up, we're going to cut the eyelash. Since I don't need to cut mine, I'll just demonstrate where to cut it. Now, since this is the inner corner of this eye, this is the inner corner and this is the outer corner, so I would suggest that you cut from the outer corner rather than the inner corner, because the inner corners usually have shorter length of hair that prevent irritation of the eye. So next up, I'm going to use this dual eyelash glue. This is the white one that dries clear side somehow. So you can either use your tweezers, and then you're just going to put that all over the strip. Also just putting a little more on the corner so that it adheres really well. So this is going to dry on the side. There we go. So I suggest that you let your lashes dry on the side. If you're putting lashes for clients, do not blow like onto the eyelashes. No. You're not going to spread the germs from your mouth onto your client's eyelashes, then onto your client's eyes, and then it's just a whole bad thing. So you're going to get your lashes on your tweezer like that. Hold them tight, and you're going to look down. Put your mirror down like this so that you're able to see your lash line. It's a better angle, and you're going to place your eyelash strip close to your eyelashes. So if you put, I know you can see the eyelash glue, but it's going to clear out. So if you put your eyelashes close to the inner corner, it will definitely cause some irritation. I'm not feeling any irritation because it's not close to the inner corner of my eye. So just for a better angle, I'm going to show you how I do it, like the way I look at it. So guys, that is the finished tutorial. I hope it's helpful. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope you liked the video. Give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Take time to practice and in the end you'll get the hang of it. And yeah, thank you so much, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.